Hey, you are here to mastering latte art, how you can be from level 1 to level 10. So let's do it together. So, for doing that, you need to understand the four fundamentals of latte art, which are flow, angle, location, and distance. We will talk more in details today, so it will be more clear to you. So, first we will talk about flow. What does it means? It means the speed at which milk is poured into the espresso. Always start with a slow flow to avoid breaking the crema. This allows the milk to integrate smoothly with the espresso base. Now gradually increase the flow when you begin drawing the design. A steady flow gives more definition to the pattern. Angle. Angle mean the tilt of the cup relative to the milk picture. Always begin with the cup at 45-degree angle to help the milk sink beneath the crema. As you move to create the design, adjust to a more horizontal angle which brings the design to the surface. Let's move to location where the milk steam is aimed during the pour. Start pouring near the center of the cup for the basic designs like heart or tulip. For more integrated designs, move the pour to different areas of the cup while controlling the flow. For example, if you want to make a tulip, you will move the pour back and pour in zigzag motion. Last is distance. What distance mean? The distance between the milk pitcher and espresso surface. What are the tips for distance? Always start with the pitcher higher, 6 to 12 inches above, to allow the milk to sink beneath the crema. Lower the pitcher as you begin to create the design to let the microfoam stay on top and form your art. Journal tips for all these four steps are: always ensure you are mastering microfoam. The milk texture is always very crucial. Aim for a velvety, glossy microfoam, tiny bubbles, and smooth texture. See, while doing latte art, it's not comes overnight. You need a lot of patience, a lot of practice, and at the end, you should be a perfectionist in latte art. Always remember, latte art mastery doesn't happen overnight. It requires a calm and focused approach. Accept that you will make mistakes along the way. Each failed attempt is an opportunity to learn. So, be patient with the both process and yourself. Latte art involves understanding milk steaming, pouring techniques, and interaction of milk and espresso. Always keep in your mind, perfection is the most important thing you should be done with during your latte art journey. Always be more focused. Perfection in latte art is not just about appearance but also about taste and experience. A perfectly poured latte should deliver balanced flavor, creamy texture, and a visually stunning design. Hope you like that. If you like that, please encourage me to make more videos like this. I will come with more information for you guys. Kindly subscribe and like. Thank you very much.